Whoosh! A hawk with a striped tail dives at the feeder. The small birds scatter. They came to eat seeds, but the larger bird came to eat them. That's one Cooper's hawk for us. A big black bird wasn't scared away. It hops across the yard. Is that my raven? Caw, caw! A crow, not a raven. Ravens make a creaking sound. I pointed out to Mom and Big Al. Every bird counts. What did the Cooper's hawk come to eat at the bird feeder? Did it want the seed? On Horseshoe Lane, houses hide deep in the woods. Someone reported seeing an ovenbird here last week. Big Al says that ovenbirds usually fly south to Central America before now. As scientists, we need to investigate. We make pishing sounds to bring out the ovenbird. Psh, psh, psh. We don't see an ovenbird, but we do hear a downy woodpecker's rat-tat-tat on a trunk. Several little chickadees cock their heads at us. We're miles from our last chickadee, so these go on the list too. Psh, psh. Still no ovenbird. We hear a sound like a cat's meow. Then we see it, a gray bird with a flicking tail. It's a catbird. Scientists, why do you think birds fly south in the wintertime? Do you know what we call this?